There are a lot of things that I love about advertising on Facebook for my rental properties. But then on the other hand, there's a few things I really can't stand about it. One of the things that happens sometimes is if somebody's looking at one of your ads and they don't like what they see. Like, for instance, I just had an example of I've got a property listed right now. This person looked at my ad on Facebook, and in the description it says that the property is being rehabbed and it won't be ready to view until the 6th of May, and it's right there in my description. But she must have been in a hurry to move. A lot of times you have those people, like they're getting booted out for some reason, so they got to find another place fast.
I don't want to go.
She applied for my property and then wanted to immediately go see it. And I explained to her in the messenger that it was not ready yet, won't be ready till next week, and I'll be setting up viewings on that Saturday on the 6th. She didn't like that. She started cussing in the text, and it's like, you shouldn't advertise properties that aren't ready to go right now, aren't ready to be rented. And I'm like, well, yeah, I have to advertise in advance so that I can get the applicants time to come and look at it. But she didn't like that. I even explained to her right in the description, it says the property's not going to be ready. So, long story short, I went to check my ad real quick because I kind of suspected this was going to happen with Facebook. Anybody can just they can click on your ad and say that it's inappropriate, it's fraudulent, something like that. And it's happened before. So what happens is when someone does that, your ad is immediately taken off of public view, and you have to wait until the Facebook police come and inspect that ad and make sure there's nothing wrong with it. In the meantime, you're not getting any views on your ad. So this is why I've set up a secondary Facebook account, because I know Facebook the police are probably not going to look at that for 24 hours. So that's too much for me. So I have a secondary Facebook account that I use to repost that same ad under that profile. Then what I do is, because I know that this woman was the one that tagged my ad, I block her in both of my rental user accounts. That way she won't see my ad anymore, and she won't be able to flag it again. And she won't be able to apply. So she just wasted her money applying, and it was all her fault. But there was some reason that she had to move really quick. And these are the ones that you want to screen out anyway. So these are the ones that you want to screen out ASAP. So this worked out well. This is all part of my systems that I have put in place for screening tenants. You can take a look at those systems at compulsiveinvestor.com.